Okay. So, right. Okay. So on one player side, two player side. The best way to wave dash. So wave dash is forward, neutral, down, forward, or forward, down, forward. Right? So forward, down, forward. Boom, and then down, forward. So all you're doing is pressing forward, down, forward. Look at the inputs if you can see it. So I do it with thumb move forward, and then these two here do the down forward, and it's real fluid. And just the fact that I'm making this tutorial shows you it can be done with one hand. Right? Now, then you just start speeding that up. And you get the rhythm. That's how you get. That's how to, you know. Basically, you could just do it slow, like boom, 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 boom. And you just build up a rhythm like that. Now let me see. I'm not sure. Let me see. I'm gonna see if I can do it on pad. I don't know if I still have the ability to do it on pad. All right. Okay, let's see. Whoops. Jeez, this is mad hard. So, I guess it would be the same concept. Obviously, it's not as fast. It don't really look like I'm doing nothing. But it's the same thing. Forward, down, forward. Forward, down, forward. Forward, down, forward. Like that, see? Forward, down, forward. And then, all you're doing is building that rhythm that I don't have no more with my thumb. Yeah, I'm sorry. That looks mad ugly. But that's basically how you do it. You got to practice yourself as you're a pad player, and you can find that rhythm. But that's basically how you do it. It's really just finding the rhythm and taking it from there. And like I said, the best way I do it is with at least on two-player side is just the thumb move you like do the dashing, do the forward movement, and then just your middle and ring finger do the down forward. And you can easily build this rhythm. This rhythm is not that hard to figure out. Like one stick. So there you go. Now, give me a second. Now, one player side to me is more difficult and requires way more practice. Because if you learn how to Korean backdash, that's basically almost wave dashing backwards, like on one player side, right? You know, then you just speed that up, and that's how you can Korean backdash. I mean, my backdash still need some more practice, but you get the idea. So for one player side, the way I do it is here, this part of the hand. In fact, let me make it bigger. So forward, and I use my whole hand to go forward and then down forward like this. Like how, if you ever did the dance like the wave where you do like the where you showing like the motion in the ocean kind of movement, same way. Like that. And again, you could go slow. You mean with Kazuya? Like I could do dashing, but I can't do like down forward 2 into. Nah. I ain't got that. I never practiced it. Like, so I can't do it because I never practiced. I'm pretty sure if I do, I can. And then if you see on my channel, Volzar21, he can do it. So I can learn from him. But I never practiced it. And then it's the same way. You just build the same rhythm. Forward, down, forward, very quickly. And after you practice, you'll get used to this rhythm. But it's gonna take time, especially on 2-player side. So remember, like forward here, boom, forward, down, forward. Boom, 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 boom. Then again, just go faster. Now, hold up. Now I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna do 2-player side one more time, just so because it's bigger now, so you can see how I did it again, just to make sure. Again, thumb forward, down, forward. Same way. Then, just once you get that rhythm. Again, and since, like I said, just the fact that I'm making this tutorial, you can literally practice this with one hand. Because all it is just getting that rhythm. Same thing when you want to practice like Korean backdash and you just want to get that rhythm. Find that rhythm and then keep doing it. Yo, Jake, what's going on, bro? So that's what you want to do. You want to just find the rhythm. But the key is forward, down, forward, and you'll get the dash part. And then this is the easiest way. Like I said, just with the thumb and these right here. Same thing. How you been, Jake? I'm just making the Devil Jin, wave dashing tutorial for people real quick. Forward, down, forward. Get that rhythm, and then bam, go fast. And have at it. And the limit is how tired you are. That's what the limit is. Just how tired you are. But there you go. Now, I'm going to teach. Oh, nice. Glad to hear. Glad to see you back, you know. Now, the other thing I can teach you, it's going to be kind of harder because I'm holding the thing. But, like for instant wide rising, right? The way I do it, if you do a half circle motion, you could get instant wide